Okay, so let's talk about why fearless agent coaching students make so much more money, okay? First of all, they don't delude themselves into thinking something's okay when it's not. So I want you to just write down some numbers that might help you. We're going to talk about financial pain, okay? So I've been a successful real estate agent, fearless agent. I've been an unsuccessful, non-fearless agent, brand new agent. I was like everybody when I started out, only I didn't have any advantages whatsoever. So let's say you're doing 40 transactions a year, you have an assistant. I would say that's no financial pain, okay? You should be making plenty of money if you're doing them at full commission, not spending it all or any on marketing or advertising of any kind, like hardly any fearless agents spend any money on marketing or advertising of any kind because they don't need to. If you're doing 30, nobody's going to fault you for that. If you're doing 20, maybe you're not charging as much as you could be. Maybe that's a little more painful. If you're doing 10, that starts to be financially painful. You're doing 5 a year, very, very painful. Maybe you're brand new and you haven't done any, very painful, okay? So rate yourself on the pain scale, and then let's figure out what it takes to get you from wherever you are to 40. I had a guy tell me this story, one of my coaching students. He was standing in his backyard. He had his last, he's down to $1,500 in his checking account. He said, I'm going to decide to sign up for Fearless Agent. He signs up in the middle of the night. So we didn't have a little chat ahead of time like I normally like to do. But he's a nice guy. His name is Tanner. And I said, I'm going to give you a goal. I want you to do 40 listings in your next 12 months at 7%. You keep 4. So he said a couple of things that one was what everybody says. He goes, nobody in my market charges 7% ever. I said, yeah, I know, but you will. And he said, I don't think I can do 40. Now, he had a healthy amount of self-doubt is what I would call that. I said, well, we'll do your best and we'll see how you end up. And he said, I will tell you this. He goes, I'm not going to have any ideas of my own. I'm going to do exactly what you tell me to do. And he had watched some videos of mine, so he knows, what I'm all about. He goes, I'll do exactly what you tell me to do. And that was the secret ingredient. And in his first 12 months, he did 120 listings with one assistant. So you might not know what's possible for you like he didn't, okay? That's called humility, I think. Overconfidence and, I'm going to kill it and all that, that's not my cup of tea for people. So if you're a nice, humble, decent guy like Tanner was, you might greatly exceed your expectations with Fearless Agent. That would be my hope for you. To find out if what we do would be a good fit for you, you can call me anytime at 480-385-8810, like he did. Changed his life forever. He is rich because he met me. And then, you can check us out on fearlessagentpodcast.com, learn a bunch of stupid jokes. That's always fun. Go to fearlessagent.tv, which is where you are now probably. Click the subscribe button. Go to fearlessagent.com. Watch all the videos on our website. And, call me anytime, see if Fearless Agent is a good fit for you. If it is, you will get rich like Tanner. If it's not, we'll admit that. I'm still happy to help you in any other way. When you call me, I won't be closing you. I won't be selling you on coaching. The only purpose of that call is to find out if, in fact, it is a good fit for you. And let's see if we can turn you into a Fearless Agent. Thanks.